one-handed.
Are you ready?
This is how you break in a burnt sub.
There we go, the first one.
That sounds like a fucking shotgun.
Dude, that was pretty fucking loud.
That was fucking loud as
I got
fuck.
a ringing in my ear.
I feel it.
It's welded now.
Oh, wow. Oh, dude, you broke my sub.
Oh my god, let's cut the cone out and see what it looks like.
Yeah, dude. That was fucking hilarious.
Ooh, you smell that, couldn't it? Oh wow, yeah, look. All the
Fuck.
fucking wires right apart, dude. That's why it's wedged up. Yeah, here's the boys' coil glue. Oh wow.
St. John's pumping.
There's some boys' coil glue.
Nice.
Aluminum.
That was fucking loud, dude.
It's got an aluminum fucking former.
I'd say that was the best wall socket so far.
Look at that. It burnt all that shit up.
Yeah, we had nothing to do with that. What are you doing? That one. That one's still good, dude.
Yeah, you see what it did? We fucking just totally shredded that little piece out.
Fuck yeah, dude, that's awesome. Maybe we should have been standing back a couple more feet when we did.
Dude, it's hot as fuck now. Look at, they got foam in there. It's
I know.
high.
I tried to get it out before.
It's out now. Bio 9.
It's my stinger
These
wire.
are 400 watt RMS.
I know.
Perfect hookup. I think they were already just gone though.
Yeah, that's probably why I bought them on eBay for $20.